Alrighty guys, what is going up? I hope you guys are all having a great and amazing day today. Now in today's episode, we're going to be talking about why I am buying another $1,000 in Tesla stock. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and if you guys get anything in value, make sure you guys hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, if you guys want to learn more about investing in the stock market, I do have a $5 course really explaining how to properly invest in the stock market. It'll be the first link down below. We really talk about fundamental analysis, technical analysis, retirement taxes, how to find undervalued stock. We talk about everything you need, so make sure you at least check it out. So now to jump into it, roll the intro, let's go. Bam! So now I'm sure that you guys know Tesla has had an amazing year in 2020. The stock has gone up over 500%, which has definitely outperformed all the major indexes. But now we did get some temporary sell-off here. Now, what is my opinion about Tesla stock? Well, I do think Tesla does carry a lot of risk, but also a lot of reward. You know, I do think that people are going to get more and more dependent on autonomous vehicles and electric vehicles. So Tesla definitely falls right in that category of being the leader in electric vehicles and the leader in autonomous driving. So I definitely think this is a stock that you should at least take a gamble in, but not go heavily invested in. I still think it's smart to have a base of ETFs, bonds, blue chip stocks to act as your defense in your portfolio, because Tesla is definitely considered a risky stock. So make sure you guys understand that there's a lot of risk, but let's talk about some of the technicals on really why I'm investing in this company. Alrighty guys, we have TSLA, that is Tesla's stock ticker. So if you guys want to look it up or invest in it, it's TSLA. You guys can see that this stock used to trade in between $90 and really $35. That is that old resistance and that old support. You guys can see that in late 2019, we have a ton of buying pressure and a ton of sell-off here. Now this stock rallied up, sold off, hit this old 90 moving average line, and has really been killing it ever since. During this time in here where the stock was rallying up day after day, really making highs, they announced that 5-to-1 stock split. The company became profitable. There was rumors of it getting put into the S&P 500, and it beat almost every single earnings. So with that being said, as investors, we always hope for history to repeat itself. And during this time, I did invest roughly $10,000 into Tesla stock, and I'm up pretty well on it. So now with this stock getting some sort of sell-off here, a little dip down, I do think that this is a pretty fair value for the company. I think a good price point would be anywhere from $420 to about $400 per share. I think that's a fair value. So with that being said, I do think if Tesla continues to hit all of their earnings, shows everybody that they actually make a lot of money, on top of get put into the S&P 500 class, I think that we're going to have this stock break out of this resistance and hit at least $550 to $600 by mid to late next year. Now, but with that being said, Tesla is a very, very volatile growth stock. So meaning it goes up and down at pretty rapid rates. So with that being said, I do think before we hit that $600 mark, this stock could easily come in contact, with $350 again. That's a very, very positive sign. That's a growth stock for you. If you go ahead and look at Amazon's old stock chart, it's all up and down, but you always want the overall trend to be up. And that's exactly what's going on with Tesla. So I do think they're going to hit all of their earnings on top of come out with their Cybertruck production. I think that's a very, very strong thing that Tesla has. If they can compete with the F-150 and really separate themselves from Ford and really prove to everybody, well, this is a affordable truck. It's just as good or better than the F-150. They're going to get a ton of people. They already have over 500,000 reservations for it. So I do think that definitely this is a perfect opportunity right now. And the train has not left the station with this company. This company is going to continue to grow and prove to everybody that they are the one and only leader in the electric and autonomous driving. So with that being said, that's going to be my price target, is around $600 by mid to late next year. Fair value for this for me is around $400. to 420 per share. That's kind of my price target. And now why I'm buying this stock here is because what I'm going to do is I'm averaging into my position. So I do have already $10,000 at around 200 to 250 per share. That's kind of that spread. So when I invest, a couple more $1,000 into this, all I'm doing is just averaging into my position. So when the stock grows in value, I'm going to be like almost doubling what I would have made. So that is it though. I hope you guys enjoyed the episode, and if you did, make sure you guys smash the like button. We'll see you guys tomorrow in another episode. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and stay safe out there. We'll see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye.